Exercise 5.1, question number 6. Find the equation of the circle through the points 1, 0, minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. Right? Now solution, take this is the equation of the circle. This is the general equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is the general form of the equation of the circle. Okay, so we are going to take this as equation 1, and in the question it is given that these 3 points, okay, these 3 points lies on the circle, or we can say that the circle passes through these 3 points. So what does it mean? You can substitute these 3 points in this equation. Can you understand? So 1, what is 1? This equation. So this equation passes through the first point. So I am going to substitute this point in the equation 1. So this is x, that is 1 is x and 0 is y. So 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0. So 2 into g into 1 is 2g. 2 into f into 0 is 0 plus c, which is equal to 0. And you know that 2g is plus c is equal to minus 1. Taking this 1 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. Now consider this as equation 2. Similarly, taking these 2 points also on the circle, so minus 1, 0 also passes through the equation. So minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0. So 2 into g into minus 1 is minus 2g plus 2 into f into 0 is 0 plus c is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus c, taking this 1 to the right hand side, it is minus 1. Now consider this as equation 3. Similarly 0, 1 also. Okay, so 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1 plus 2 into g into 0 is 0 and 2 into f into 1 is 2f plus c is equal to 0. So 2f plus c, taking the 1 to the other side, minus 1, which is taken as equation 4. Now we have to solve these 3 equations and we have to find the value of f, g and c. Luckily we see here 2g and minus 2g, so this can be easily cancelled. So I have taken equation 2 and equation 3 here, directly taken. So adding the 2 equations, that is this 2g and minus 2g is cancelled. C plus c is 2c. Minus 1 plus minus 1 is minus 2. Therefore c is equal to minus 1. Now I am going to substitute the value of c is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. I'll show what is the equation 2. So this is equation 2. So here in the place of c, I am going to substitute minus 1. Okay. Similarly, I am going to substitute c in this equation to find the value of f. Okay, now see here, so substituting minus 1, I have got 2g minus 1 is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled. So 2g is equal to 0, g is equal to 0. Similarly, substituting c is equal to minus 1 in equation 4, 2f minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Here also 2f is equal to 0, f is equal to 0. Now we have to substitute the value of f, g and c. Already we have found, isn't it, in the equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 I'll show you now. Equation 1 is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So in the place of g I have to substitute 0. In the place of f I have to substitute 0. In the place of c I have to substitute minus 1. So the answer would be, see here, x square plus y square plus 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 1 can be taken to the right hand side. So finally it is equal to 1. This is the required equation of the circle. That's all. Thank you.